We're gonna film a Fallout movie in here.
I'm filming right now.
I mean, like, seriously, though.
Hey, you can see where they used to be a light switch.
Yeah, this place is, like, kind of creepy.
Maybe the light bulb used to work when there used to be a roof.
Who needs a roof?
Can you imagine how old and freaking run down this place has to be?
I say about...
It's old and run down, but it does make, like, a great airsoft spot.
50 years old?
Probably. See, there's the basement.
Get up there, dude. And it was sturdy. Get up in that air duct.
And that thing again.
I wouldn't attempt it.
I'm like, come on, let's get on your shoulders.
That's what I'm going to get,
Go through a window.
Recording.
Well, when you're trying to be quiet, I'm like fucking.
Huh? I'm just recording it till the battery goes out. Sketchy ass stairs. Freeze!
walk like a butcher.
A foot can go through the floor.
I'm surprised the freaking floor is as sturdy as it is.
You know, there's a lot of orange tape everywhere, or orange paint.
Yeah, they're trying to mark off dangerous spots.
Got 2 minutes. You want to try to go back down through the basement real quick?
Okay.
Then we'll head out. Taking stairs. Be careful, these stairs are kind of rickety too.
Yeah. Apparently there was 2-on-2 before it was me and you. There was like one year you made me down there. I was down the steps and my teammate was coming up behind me. And he got shot by a guy down there. I heard like BB fire down there.
So I think Dusty was the other guy left.
And like my teammate was like going like
What is up? Can't see in there because it's dark.
He was good, dude.
I'm almost done. There's only a couple rooms left.